Okay, we're on worksheet number 7. Worksheet number 7. So we're working on questions that deal with quadratics and function notation. So this one, use the discriminant to determine the value of k that would result in an equation x squared minus kx plus 4 equals 0 having equal roots. Well, one of the things that you're supposed to know is for a quadratic equation to have equal roots, that means b squared minus 4ac is going to have to equal 0. It's that simple. You need to know that. All right? So in this case, a is going to be 1 according to that quadratic, b is going to be a minus k, and c is going to be 4. So plugging things in, I get a negative k squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 4. All that has to equal 0. The negative k squared is k squared minus 16 equals 0. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Adding 16 to both sides, I get k squared is equal to 16. Take the square root of both sides. K is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, next question. Question 30. Find the sum and product of the quadratic equation 5x squared plus 11x minus b. Minus b over, or minus 3. Minus b over a is your sum, and c over a is your product. Two other things that you need to have memorized. So minus b would be negative 11 over 5. This is your sum. And please make sure that if they're asking you a question like this, you tell me what negative 11/5 really is, because they're asking sum and product. Product is c over a, which will be a negative 3 over 5, and that's your product. And we're done. Last question on this worksheet, 35. If f of x is x squared minus 6 and g of x is 2 to the x and then minus 1, determine the value of g of f of negative 3. Remember, that symbol means following. So that means I really want this. I need to evaluate f of 3 first. So this is going to become g of, plugging in 3, plugging in negative 3, here, you're going to get negative 3 squared, which is a positive 9. So negative 3 squared minus 6. So this is going to be g of, that's going to be positive 9 minus 6, which is 3. And then g of 3 is going to be 2 to the third minus 1. Well, that's 8 minus 1, which is 7. And that was worksheet number 7.